Are you a new speaker who's tired of being crippled with fear whenever it's time to do any kind of public speaking? Do you want real proven strategies for how to handle anxiety and present confidently? Then you'll want to attend my Slay the Stage Speaker Summer School class on how to build your confidence as a speaker. This class was specifically designed for newer speakers like you who want to be able to speak with more ease and less nerves when it's time to stand and deliver. This summer school class has 4 main areas that we're going to cover. 1. Mental and physical techniques to manage nervousness. How to practice strategically to remember your speech content. How to structure your thoughts quickly and speak in a coherent way with impromptu speaking. And lastly, you're going to learn solutions for 5 of the most common situations that throw speakers off. You do not have to suffer through public speaking. You can be a confident speaker. Get registered today so you can be ready for your next speaking opportunity.